Chapter 1: A Computer System. Welcome to the new class. In your previous class, you have learned that the computer is a very useful machine. However, it cannot do any task on its own. For a computer to do any work, we need to give it data and instructions. Data is collection of facts and figures in raw form that we give as input. It is in the form of numbers, letters, or words. Information is the processed data that is output we receive. Do you know? Charles Babbage is known as the father of computer. Computer system. A computer system is a machine that is used to generate information from data. Parts of computer system. A computer system mainly consists of two parts: hardware and software. Hardware. Computer hardware refers to the physical parts of a computer that you can touch and feel. Example: mouse, keyboard, monitor, etc. Hardware devices are further classified as shown. Hardware: input devices, processing devices, output devices, storage devices. Software. Software is a set of instructions that tells a computer what to do. In order to make the hardware work, you need to install the software on the computer. Some examples of software are Paint, TuxPaint, WordPad, etc. Software is mainly of two types: system software and application software. System software. It is a set of programs that controls and manages the overall working of a computer. Some examples of system software are Windows, iMac, Unix, etc. Application software. A software that helps you to do a specific type of work is called application software. Some examples of application software are MS Word, MS Excel, MS Paint, TuxPaint, etc. Remember, hardware and software are like two sides of the same coin. Hardware cannot work without software, and without hardware, the software is of no use. Do you know? A hardware engineer is a person who assembles a computer and knows how to repair it. A software engineer is a person who makes programs to be used in a computer. IPO cycle. Cycle in day-to-day activities, we generally follow the IPO, input process, output cycle. For examples, for preparing mango shake, the mango and milk act as the input, the mixer acts as the processing unit, which makes the mango shake, is the output. Input: mangoes and milk. Processing: mixer. Output: mango shake. Similarly, computers also work on the principle of IPO. It takes input, processes it, and gives a meaningful output. Let us learn how this IPO cycle works for the computer. Input: processing. Output: we input data and instructions using a keyboard. The CPU does all the processing. Monitor is used to show the output or information. Let's learn about the different input devices, processing devices, output devices, and storage devices in detail. Input devices. Input devices are used to give commands. Some of the input devices are as follows. Keyboard. The keyboard is the most commonly used input device. It is used to enter the data into the computer. It was invented by Christopher Latham Scholes in 1868. A keyboard has many keys on it. There are about 101 to 105 keys on the keyboard. Mouse. The mouse is a pointing device that is used to point and select items on the monitor. It is also used to draw pictures. It was invented by Douglas C. Engelbart in 1968. There are different types of mouse: rollerball mouse, scroll mouse, wireless mouse, etc. Microphone. A microphone is used for recording voice and other sounds. It is also called mic. Joystick. It is an input device which is often used for playing games. It also helps to move the items on the screen. Scanner. A scanner inputs printed pictures and text into the computer by converting them into digital form. There are different types of scanners: flatbed scanner, sheet-fed scanner, etc. Webcam. A webcam is a digital video camera used to put your image into the computer. Processing devices. The devices that are used to process the input data are called processing devices. The CPU is the processing unit of the computer. CPU, central processing unit. CPU, brain of the computer, also known as processor or microprocessor. It performs all the calculation and controls all the activity of computer. CPU consists of three components. MU, memory unit. It stores data and information temporarily for processing. CU, control unit. It works like a traffic policeman and controls all the activities of the computer. ALU, arithmetic and logic unit. It performs all arithmetic calculations and logical operations of computer. Output devices. Output devices are used to display the results of the processed data. Some of the common output devices are as follows. Monitor. The most common output device is the monitor. It looks like a TV and has a screen to display the information. It is also known as video visual display unit. It displays the output as soft copy on the screen. There are different types of monitors available nowadays. CRT cathode ray tube monitor, LCD liquid crystal display monitor, LED light emitting diode monitor, TFT thin film transistor monitor. Printer. A printer prints the output on a paper which is called hard copy. There are different kinds of printers: dot matrix printer, inkjet printer, laser printer. Plotter. Plotter is a special output device used to print graph and complex designs in better quality. The most commonly used plotters are drum plotter, flatbed plotter, inkjet plotter. Projector. A projector displays the output from the computer screen onto a large screen. Speakers. Speakers produce music, speech, or other sounds as output. Headphones. Headphones are small speakers used to hear the sound without causing disturbance to others. Remember, do not keep the volume of the speakers too high. It may disturb others. Storage devices. Storage devices are used to store data. Storage devices are also called memory devices. Some of the storage devices are as follows. Hard disk. Hard disk is the main storage device. It is fixed inside the system unit. It is used to store a large amount of information. CD, DVD. CD stands for compact disc and DVD stands for digital video disc. CDs and DVDs are circular discs that store information. A CD-DVD works when inserted into the CD-DVD drive. A DVD stores more information than a CD. Remember, optical disc like CDs are spelled with a C, whereas magnetic storage media like hard disk is spelled with a K. Pen drive. Pen drive is also called a flash drive. It is used to store a large amount of data. It is very small in size. You can carry it in your pocket easily. Memory card. Memory card is very small in size. It is used in gadgets like mobiles and digital camera to store information like photo and music, etc. Remember, a CD-DVD is put into a CD-DVD drive and a pen drive is put into a USB port found on the CPU box. Do you know? The devices attached to the computer system are called peripheral device. Recap zone. Data is a collection of facts and figures in raw form. Information is the processed data, that is, output we receive from the computer. Charles Babbage is known as the father of computer. A computer is a machine that is used to generate information from data. IPU stands for Input Process Output.